Hey everybody, Vicky here, the Words Lady, and today I want to talk to you about how you can get your best-selling book to be more meaningful. Now, what I mean is not just the interior and for your reader, but I mean for you. How do you make becoming a bestseller meaningful for you and for your business, for your brand? So, number one, you need to know that becoming a bestseller in itself does nothing for you. I know that might be a surprise to you, but becoming a bestseller is in name only. What you do with it afterwards is what determines how successful you will be as a bestseller, as an entrepreneur with a best-selling book, right? Because let's think about it this way. Becoming a bestseller is about the marketing, is about the outside of the book. At that point, people haven't really read the inside. I mean, like Amazon gives you a little sneak peek to some of the pages, but they really haven't gotten to know you or anything. It's about the promise in the book. It's about the cover. It's about how intriguing it is. It is about if they think that they're going to get a benefit out of the book, if it's magnetic to them with the title and the subtitle and what their struggle is right now in their lives, right? So it's mostly about the outside of the book. So people can get a crappy book to bestseller if it has a good marketing plan. Like, how many times have you gone to the movies and been disappointed about the movie? Hmm? Okay? Maybe you watched the trailer and all the good parts were in that 3-minute trailer and there were no other good parts in the movie, and it just dragged on and on and on and on and on. But you didn't know that until you got there, but you went there because of the trailer. The trailer is the marketing, just like for your book. Your marketing gets people to buy it, but what keeps them reading and intrigued is the inside. So the way that you make the bestseller mean something for you and your business is to make the guts of it meaningful. And how you make the guts meaningful is by inserting yourself, inserting your perspective, being a little bit disruptive, being kind of edgy, showing your personality, saying those things out loud that sometimes you think you should keep in your head, but those are the exact things that people need to hear, your clients need to hear, those you need to help need to hear, right? And they also need to hear about your struggles and about the times you fell on your face, about those times you wanted to give up so that they feel like they're not alone. So the way that you make your bestseller more meaningful is to not just concentrate on the marketing, not just concentrate on getting the bestseller name, but actually making the guts and the inside of the book link together, weave together your content and your stories, make it really, really meaningful for the reader. All right, so you tell me if you want to have a book that is meaningful, but you're not really sure how to put it all together, and you're like, oh my gosh, the how-to, what do I do, what do I do, what do I do? And you're driving yourself crazy, and then you're getting to the point where you're like, I don't even know if I want to write this book. I gotta tell you that the overwhelm and the scared and the I don't know what I'm doing and the pretend writer's block that I've talked about before is because we tend to get obsessed in the how-tos of something when we haven't even done it the first time, right? Just think about the first time you did certain things. You probably needed a teacher. You probably needed somebody to show you, like, that's what YouTube is for these days, right? We get all sorts of things off of instructions from other people. And writing your book is no different. You just need to link arms with somebody who's done it before, who has a how-to step, who has can be a guide and has a formula that all you have to do is go, okay, this and then this and this, voila, and the contents and the guts of your book is good. Your stories are intriguing and magnetic. They're connecting with people and they're woven in with all your tips and your great brilliance to create a best-selling book and launch it to bestseller. So yeah, I'm actually talking about myself here, that you have the opportunity to link arms with me in my Easy Writer program. So I will share the link down below, and I hope that you'll take a look at it and get out of the overwhelm of how do I do this book? How do I make it so good? How do I get it to bestseller? How do I self-publish? How do I? Let me show you the how do I. All you have to do is insert yourself in your stories. All right? All right, comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.